Page 25, Hot Cross Buns. This melody is in just about every method book we've had so far. I've done over hundreds of these, not hundreds, but a lot of them. And it's pretty much in all of them. It's a nice melody though. Let's look the piece over. Let's go through our routine for learning a piece of music. I see it's one line long. I don't know how many measures it is. I don't care. I see it's one line. That's close enough. I just want to get an overall idea of how long it is. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature now, not 3/4. We're back to 4/4. And I get half notes and whole notes and quarter notes. All right. And the hands are playing at the same time. So I'm going to take it one hand at a time first to make sure I understand what each hand is doing before I put the hands together. Starts out in third finger on E for the right hand is here. That puts a hand here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You get the idea? You go through and play it. Left hand, when you're starting out here, and they don't give you a finger number until the quarter note. They could have given you a finger number at the beginning, but you can also look over there on the quarter note. If you use second finger on B, you can figure out that you got to put your hand here, so you're going to use thumb here. Also, we're in middle C position. We've been in middle C position forever, so just go to middle C position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then later on you quarter notes. Okay, and once you get the hands separately, then we put the hands together and see what happens. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, these are together. We've done this before. And then the last three measures where the hands are playing together. We're here. We've been doing that. We've done a lot of this throughout, so hopefully you're getting the hang of that. So once you get the hands together, get rid of the hesitations, a steady beat. Then we think about maybe the interpretation. Well, in 4/4 time, the first beat of the measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Actually, in 4/4 time, there's two natural accents. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like every other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The 1 is the stronger, and the 3 is the. Look in the middle of this where the quarter notes are.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. So they're not all going to be the same. The first one will be longer or louder. So it's a bum 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 bum. You feel it too. You feel it, and that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on the natural accents. You want to put in the phrasing? Well, look at the words. We have commas and things going on. Lift up. Clear. Lift up. Lift up. Did you lift up between them? You don't have to. It's how do you feel it. For instance, in the quarter notes, I could connect those if I wanted to connect them all together. I could connect all that together, even though there's commas. I don't have to. How do you feel it? How do you choose to interpret it? When they put in an exclamation point or something, that's generally going to lift up. Or a period, yeah. But again, it's just interpretation. Everybody or different people will do it differently. Now this piece has a bit of a problem in it, and it's a very common problem that we run across in playing piano. I want to talk about it. If you look in the second measure, you see a whole note there, C. In the third measure, the left hand needs that note. It's the same note. The right hand goes to an E, but the left hand needs that note. You got to lift up a little bit early with the right hand so the left hand can have it in time. It's got to be played on the beat. So you're just cutting a little bit short so you can have that. We run across this in music sometimes with piano where the hands need the same note. So whatever hand played it first got to get off a little early so the other hand can have it. Here it works out okay because if you're lifting up between the phrases, you're going to lift up. Anyway, it's like taking a breath, you're going to lift up. Well, that takes care of it. Because you're off of it now, so the left hand can have it. But if you weren't, if you're connecting it, you can't connect it because the left hand needs it. You got to get off of it early. So you can't connect it. And there's times when we want to connect it, and it's a bit of a problem. We'll talk about that more when we get to that problem. Just be aware of it. Sometimes the different hands need the same note, and they have to learn to share is all. That's how I might play it this time. I might play it different later on as to how do I feel it. I could change the speed. I don't have to go that fast. I could, whatever. How do I feel it? Don't go too fast and don't go too slow, but how do you feel it? Let's play it together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. Now, we're not performing it. We're just doing notes and rhythms. I will try and feel the natural accents, though. You always try and feel the natural accents once you get past the mechanics. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, off.